Yeah, guys, today we are going to discuss another important topic in the rivers of Telangana, which is Godavari. We did complete yesterday. Today, the tributary of Godavari, tributaries of Godavari, we are going to discuss. The main one is Manjira River. Okay, guys, they can ask you any smallest river also. Okay, in the coming exam, this is the important Manjira River. As you know, it is very important for the drinking water in Hyderabad, right? So we are going to discuss about this river. Okay, Manjira River, it is the main tributary of the Godavari. Okay, yes. And what is this here, where it is origin? Yeah, the basic information of this Manjira River is like it is origin at Balaghat range near Beed district of Maharashtra. Okay, Balaghat range near Beed district, Maharashtra. Okay, yeah, total length 644 kilometers, total length of the Manjira 644 kilometers. If come to the Godavari is how much? 1465, right? Godavari 1465 kilometers, and if come to the Manjira 644 kilometer in the Maharashtra. It is origin where in the Beed district, Balaghat range. Balaghat range, range nothing but it is the series of hills we can call range. Okay, series of hills. Okay, series of hills mean there are number of hills are located in a place where simultaneously each other, so we can call it as series. Okay, Balaghat range. Okay, Balaghat range. So it is the major states Manjira flows in Maharashtra, Karnataka and Telangana. Maharashtra, Karnataka and Telangana. There is no Andhra Pradesh and Odisha, Chhattisgarh. Okay, yeah, they can misguide you. It can be Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. No, it is Maharashtra, Karnataka and Telangana. Okay, yes, the main tributary of Godavari, it is the river main tributary of the Godavari, which is right bank tributary. Okay, right bank tributary. Godavari, it is right bank tributary. Where Manjira is the right bank. Okay, yeah. Godavari is like this flow from west to east. Okay, this is the left side, this is the right side, because of Godavari flow this way, west to east. So the Manjira, which is originate in the Maharashtra, to meet here in the right bank. Okay, this is the right place, this is the left place. Okay, yeah, Godavari Manjira, which is flow right bank tributary of the Godavari, which is originate in the Balaghat range, Maharashtra. It can flow through 3 states, that is Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana. Okay, yes, I hope you guys understand this about the Manjira River, what we can drink the water in the Hyderabad. Okay, yeah, this is the major source for the drinking purpose in Hyderabad. Okay, yes. So more about Manjira River. Okay, yes, yeah, it is course of river. It can be Maharashtra, Karnataka and Telangana. 3 states it can be flow. Maharashtra, it is start at Beed district, Balaghat range it is originate, and Beed district it can flow. It can flow through Usmanabad and Nanded district also. Okay, yeah. In Karnataka, it is Bidar district. Okay, yeah. If come to the Telangana, this is important for TSPSC. Okay, Telangana, which is more prioritized sector, where the Kamareddy it can be enter. Kamareddy district, previously it is Nizamabad district. Kamareddy comes under Nizamabad. If they don't give Kamareddy, if they give Nizamabad, that is also right. Okay, yeah, previously it is Nizamabad, now it is Kamareddy district where the Manjira enters, and it is through the Sangareddy, Medak, Nizamabad and Nirmal district. 4 districts apart from Kamareddy, there is other 4 districts. This can be flow. This is the most important. This is the most important. The northwest part of the Telangana, like Kamareddy, which is enter into the Telangana, Sangareddy, Medak, Nizamabad and Nirmal. Okay, from the Sangareddy it can be enter into the Hyderabad, okay, from the Medak district. Okay, Sangareddy Medak is previously the United Medak district, Nizamabad Kamareddy United Medak district and Nirmal is north part of the Telangana. Okay, I hope you guys understand about where can be flow in the Godavari in the Telangana. Okay, yes. Yeah, of course, TSPSC points most important here 5 districts Kamareddy, Sangareddy, Medak, Nizamabad and Nirmal. You have to blindly remember Nizamabad and Kamareddy is united Nizamabad and Medak Sangareddy is united Medak and Nirmal is there. Okay, 5 districts it can be flow where it is originate in the Balaghat range Maharashtra and it is enter Kamareddy in the Telangana. Okay, just you have to remember this is enough. No need this district in the Karnataka and Maharashtra. No need to remember the districts. Okay, if you want to remember, Beed is the district where it is origin from the Balaghat range. The series of the hill areas are located in the Beed district of the like Maharashtra. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. Okay, yes, and major tributaries of the Manjira, not about Godavari. Manjira is right bank tributary of the Godavari, but Manjira also certain rivers they enter. Okay, that is left bank tributaries and right bank tributary of the Manjira. Okay, that is Tarna River and Minor River, and right bank Haldi River and Kangana River. Okay, yeah, guys, just look into here. This Haldi River is origin in the Medak, important of Telangana. This is most important for exam point of view. This is most important for exam point of view for TSPSC because of they can ask you the small rivers where directly enter into the large rivers. So Manjira River tributary, one of the tributary which is Haldi River, they originate in the Medak. Okay, yeah, this is the important river for the Telangana. Most important, this is right bank tributary is Haldi River. They can flow into the Manjira. This is important tributary of the Manjira for the Telangana. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. Okay, yes. And just look into here, tributary name is Haldi, where it is origin Medak. Okay, it is the right bank tributary of the Manjira. Okay, yep. Next, the most important places, dams, projects of the Manjira. Okay, this is also important for exam point of view. Singur Dam is Sangareddy major reserve supply drinking water to Hyderabad. This is important of Manjira River. Okay, where it is the water is supplied to the Hyderabad from the dam Singur Dam, which is under the construction on the Manjira River. Okay, yeah, Singur Dam most important for the exam point of view. Sangareddy place and that is supply drinking water into Hyderabad. Okay, yeah. Next, Nizam Sagar project which is Kamareddy, where the Manjira enter into the Telangana. This is oldest irrigation project of the Manjira. Nizam Sagar, which is ancient, the kings they made this project. Okay, yeah. And Manjira project is different. Manjira barrage, which is Medak and Nizamabad, it is regulate the irrigation and water supply. Kandakurti, this is also most important. Kandakurti is the place where Manjira meet Godavari. This is place Kandakurti in the Nizamabad. This is they make Sangam of the Manjira and Godavari. Mean Godavari, Manjira can meet right bank, tributary is Manjira, right? Godavari right bank is Manjira. So right place they can meet, the place is Kandakurti. Here they can meet Triveni Sangam, Triveni Sangamam. Triveni Sangamam mean they meet three rivers. Here Manjira plus Godavari plus there is a river Haridra river. These three rivers meet a place called Kandakurti. They make Triveni Sangamam. This is slide most important for your exam. Okay? Yes. First, Singur Dam, which is place Sangareddy on the Manjira river, they can play major role to provide drinking water to Hyderabad people. And next, Nizam project, which is historical project, like it is built on the district Kamareddy. It is the oldest irrigation project on Manjira. Okay, Manjira barrage is Medak and Nizamabad regulate water irrigation. Okay, and Kandakurti is the place in the Nizamabad where Manjira meet Godavari to make the Triveni Sangamam with other river is Haridra. So I hope you guys understand this slide. Okay, yeah, this is the most important for TSPSC any exam. Okay, yes. And important Manjira in the Telangana. What is importance of Manjira in the Telangana? Okay, it can be flow Hyderabad drinking water source for the Hyderabad, Medak, Sangareddy, okay, from the Singur Dam. Singur Dam, they can provide water supply Hyderabad, Medak and Sangareddy. Okay, yes. Irrigation, it is support Nizam Sagar in various irrigation schemes. Okay, religious importance made Triveni Sangamam at Kandakurti, Manjira, Haridra and Godavari together to meet Triveni Sangam at Kandakurti place of Nizamabad. I hope you guys understand this. Okay, yes. Yeah. Next, revision points for the exam point of view. I made it very revision point. Origin at Balaghat Hills, Maharashtra. Godavari origin at Balaghat Hills, Maharashtra. Joins at Kandakurti in the Nizamabad. Manjira can join at Kandakurti place in the Nizamabad. The important dams on this Manjira river, Singur and Nizam Sagar, and there is a right bank tributary of the Godavari. This is Manjira. It flow Sangareddy, Medak, Kamareddy, Nizamabad. Okay, it supply water to the Hyderabad in Singur Dam. This is the quick points for exam point of view, guys. Okay, yes. Yeah, mind map of the Manjira river. Yeah, we will quick look into this again. Just look into here. Just look into here. Origin and basic information. It is origin at Balaghat range near Bid district of Maharashtra. Okay, range is series of hills. Okay, yeah, length 644 kilometers and 1465 is the Godavari. Okay, major states which is covered Maharashtra, Karnataka and Telangana. No Andhra Pradesh here. The major tributary of the Godavari. Okay, which is major tributary of the Godavari. Okay, yes. And the course of river which can start Bid district, and if come to the Telangana, which is enter into the Kamareddy of the Telangana, and it can be flow Sangareddy, Medak, Nizamabad and Nirmal district. Okay, it is joins the Kandakurti place in the Nizamabad. Okay, it is joins Godavari, the Kandakurti place, Nizamabad. Okay, yes, and the major tributaries, Haldi is the most important prominent tributary of the Manjira, which is from the Medak district. Okay, Medak. Manjira also has certain tributaries, which is most important tributary is Haldi. Okay, that is originate in the Medak. Okay, for the TSPSC it is important. Okay, yes, and the major important places of the Manjira river. Okay, that is like Singur Dam and Nizam Sagar project and Manjira barrage and Kandakurti village. Okay, Singuru Dam, Sangareddy, they can provide water to the Hyderabad. Nizam Sagar project, Kamareddy, it is the oldest irrigation project of the Manjira, and Manjira barrage, which is Medak and Nizamabad, which regulate irrigation process, and Kandakurti is the place where Manjira meet Godavari, okay, to make like Triveni Sangam, okay, with along with the river Haridra. Okay, I hope you guys understand this about the Manjira river. Okay, yes, yeah, these are the quick points about Manjira river. Mind map of the Manjira river originate Balaghat Hills, Maharashtra, which is enter into the Telangana, which can flow Maharashtra, Karnataka and Telangana, which is enter where in the Kandakurti, Nizamabad. And important dams Nizam Sagar and Singur Dam. Okay, tributaries Terna, Haldi, Garni, Tiru. Haldi is the tributary where from the Telangana Medak district. Okay, yeah. Irrigation process, drinking and hydro projects are the uses of the Manjira. I hope you guys go through the MCQs relevant Manjira river. Okay, yes. And this is all about Manjira river. And if come to the next one, Pranahita, this is also another river, Manjira river, which is west side of the Godavari. Godavari flows from the west to east, finally reach Bay of Bengal, finally reach AP. This is west side, this is east side. Most prominent west side right bank tributary is Manjira, and Pranahita is where, not exactly, not end is the like Purna is the last tributary, but this place where Manchiryal and Kaleshwaram is there, here Pranahita left bank tributary. Pranahita is the left bank tributary. This is also another important tributary of the Godavari. Okay, Manjira after that, Pranahita is the most prominent. Okay, yeah, that's why we are going to discuss Pranahita. Pranahita is the largest tributary of the Godavari. In the matters of river by discharge, means they can flow water into the Godavari. Okay, yeah, that is the largest floating river of the Pranahita into the Godavari. Okay, it is formed in the confluence of the Varda and Venganga. Okay, Pranahita is the river which is made by two rivers combination. If the two rivers meet to flow as Pranahita, two rivers are what? Okay, guys, just look into here. This is the river which is Pranahita, which is enter, right? Yeah, I will show here only. This is Pranahita, which is enter. Pranahita, which is enter. Okay, Pranahita is what? This is yellow color is the Pranahita. Pranahita is two river combinations. This is the one river and this is another river, two rivers combination to make Pranahita, two rivers to combine to make Pranahita. What are the two rivers? Here there is Venganga and Varda. This is Varda, this is Venganga. Varda and Venganga, they can originate in different states, and if come to the Telangana, as Komarambim Asipabad, which is made as Pranahita, made as Pranahita. Okay? Yeah, two rivers combine together to form a Pranahita river. Two rivers are what? Varda and Venganga. Varda and Venganga, two rivers to form Pranahita as flow into the Telangana. Okay? Yes. The length of the Pranahita is 113 kilometers. 113 kilometers. Okay? Yeah. It is including Venganga and Varda. Okay? It is basin of massive. Actually, it is the massive flow of the water. Okay? Pranahita river basin contribute 34% of water into the Godavari. They can ask you the question, they don't ask you the length. If they ask you most drainage, which river flow into the Godavari, most as drainage, that is the Pranahita, not Manjira or any other river. 34% of water is flow into the Godavari, which is flow. How many tributaries carry? If the tributaries 100%, they can carry water from the other tributaries. All our tributaries, they can flow 100%. Among that, 34% is Pranahita itself to give the water into the Godavari. Okay? Yeah, all our tributaries, how much they can carry? In that, 34% is Pranahita they can carry into the Godavari. Okay? I hope you guys understand this. Yeah. Origin and formation. Pranahita, Venganga and Varda together they meet. The place is Kautala. The place is Kautala in the Asipabad, Komarambim Asipabad district of Telangana. There is no Pranahita in other district. Pranahita is the combination of Varda and Venganga as flowed as Pranahita in the district Kautala. Mean Kautala is the place where the two rivers to form Pranahita in the Komarambim Asipabad district. This is the most important point for TSPSC. Okay? I hope you guys understand this. Venganga and Varda originate from the Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. Varda is the Maharashtra. Venganga is Madhya Pradesh. Okay? Venganga Madhya Pradesh and Varda is Maharashtra. They together to meet in the Kautala to form Pranahita. This is the scenario. Okay? Yes. Most important, the question they can ask you, which the rivers to form Pranahita, Varda and Venganga, which is one is from Madhya Pradesh, one is from Maharashtra. They meet the place in the Telangana, Kautala, where the Komarambim district. Okay? I hope you guys understand this. Okay? Yes. Next, Pranahita, they can flow Komarambim, Asipabad and Manchiral districts. Komarambim, Asipabad and Manchiral district, they can flow Pranahita river, they can flow in the Telangana, two districts, Komarambim, Asipabad and Manchiral. Okay? Yeah. It is from border of Telangana, of course, North Telangana. Okay? Yeah. It is joins Godavari at Kaleshwaram. in the Mahadevpur Mandal, Jaishankar, Bhupalpalli. This is also important. Okay, yeah, it can meet Mahadevpur, Jaishankar, Bhupalpalli. Okay, it can be meet Jaishankar, Bhupalpalli district, Mahadevpur. Okay, this is important. Manjira can meet Kandakurti. Manjira can meet Kandakurti, Nizamabad. Okay, Manjira meet Godavari, Kandakurti, Nizamabad, but Pranahita meet Mahadevpur, Jaishankar, Bhupalpalli. Okay, Pranahita where enter into the Telangana, that is Kautala, Komrambim, Asfabad. They can reach Komrambim, Asfabad and Manchiral district, and finally they reach the Bhupalpalli, okay, Jaishankar, Bhupalpalli to meet Godavari. Okay, yes, I hope you guys understand. The Telangana district Pranahita touch Komrambim, Asfabad, Manchiral and Jaishankar, Bhupalpalli, 3 districts that can be covered. Okay, Pura North Telangana. Okay, Northeast Telangana. Northeast Telangana. Guys, if you want to read geography perfect, you must know that map. Okay, map. If you know Telangana where the districts are located and tributaries, rivers are where they can flow, you must know the map. Actually, you must know the map, then only you can make the perfect geography. Okay, yeah, geography is based on map itself. Okay, first you go through the map where the districts are located. You have to look at the climate and forest and rivers, everything is comes under map based only. Okay, yeah, in that way you must go through the map before the topic. Okay, yeah, where Komrambim, Asfabad, Manchiral and Jaishankar, Bhupalpalli, Northeast Telangana, this river, Pranahita river is flowing. Okay, I hope you guys understand. Yeah, where the Kaleshwaram, Pranahita at Kaleshwaram joins Godavari river. Okay, they can make Triveni Sangam. Manjira can make Triveni Sangam where Kandakurti and Pranahita also make one Triveni Sangam with Godavari. Okay, there Manjira to meet Godavari with another river Haridra. Here this Pranahita can meet Godavari, the name of other river is Saraswati. Okay, this is at Kaleshwaram, that is at Kandakurti. Okay, yeah, Godavari, Pranahita and Saraswati. Okay, yeah, these three rivers they can make the Triveni Sangam at Kaleshwaram. Okay, yes, Kaleshwaram, Triveni Sangam. This is the most important for geography question TSPSC. This is the most important, guys. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. Yeah, tributaries of the Pranahita. What are the tributaries? Of course, Venganga, Varda, they can together to make Pranahita, right? And Penganga also. Okay, this Venganga is Madhya Pradesh, Penganga and Varda is Maharashtra. Okay, the origin. Okay, yeah, I hope you guys understand this. Yeah, major projects on the Pranahita. Pranahita Chevella is the scheme most important, prominent. Okay, most of the news in the newspaper about Pranahita Chevella. Where Komrambim and Jaishankar, Bhupalpalli districts. Okay, it is the irrigation and a drinking project. Okay, irrigation and a drinking project. Irrigation that local areas and drinking is for Hyderabad. Okay, yeah, Kaleshwaram lift irrigation. Pranahita Chevella is enter as a Kaleshwaram lift irrigation, that is at Jayashankar Bhupalpalli, uses water Pranahita for the Godavari Sangam. Tammidihatti barrage, this is the most important for TSPSC. Based on analysis previous questions, this is the most important Tammidihatti project between the Komaram Bhim, between the interstate Telangana and Maharashtra. Telangana and Maharashtra. Between two states, this is the interstate project on the Pranahita Tammidihatti barrage, most important for TSPSC. Tammidihatti project is based on which states? Maharashtra and Telangana. Tammidihatti barrage is located on which river? This is Pranahita river. Okay? Yeah, I hope you guys understand where it is located. The barrage is Komaram Bhim, Asifabad. Okay? That is also important keyword for exam. This is the major projects on the Pranahita, most important for TSPSC. I hope you guys understand this. Okay? Yes. Next, interstate importance shared between Telangana and Maharashtra. Pranahita waters they can share between Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Telangana and Maharashtra. Godavari Water Dispute Tribunal. Godavari Water Dispute Tribunal. It is on the Pranahita water sharing between the Telangana and Maharashtra from the 2016 joint project, that is Tammidihatti and Medigadda. Tammidihatti, Medigadda, Tammidihatti, Komaram Bhim, Asifabad and Medigadda, Bhupalpalli. Okay, guys, you guys understand this. Okay, Tammidihatti, Medigadda is the projects between the Telangana and Maharashtra based on Pranahita river water from 2016. Okay, yes, I hope you guys understand. This is also important for TSPSC because of it is the interstate project. Yes, and religious significance of Pranahita. Okay, of course Kaleshwaram, it is the Shiva Kshetram is there. Okay, Triveni Sangam also there. Okay, like Allahabad, Prayag, likewise Triveni Sangam there in the Kaleshwaram. Okay, yeah, environmental importance of the Pranahita. It is the high dense forest, guys. High dense forest which is rich biodiversity because of Komaram Bhim, Asifabad, Bhupalpalli, Jayashankar Bhupalpalli, and these states are most dense forest. Most dense forest is there associated with Chhattisgarh. Most important. Okay, yeah. There is a Tadoba and Kavval is there the district where high dense forest and biodiversity hotspots, like, okay, there are rich of flora and fauna of this district Tadoba and Kavval. Kavval is the wildlife sanctuary is there between the two states Telangana and Maharashtra. Okay, yeah, this is the most important river in the forest. Okay, Pranahita river, most important. Okay, yeah, I hope you guys understand this. Yeah, mind map about Pranahita. It is origin the combination of Vardha and Venganga. Okay, it is flow first Komaram Bhim district and Pranahita Chevella is the major project. Okay, yeah, it is near Maharashtra and Godavari they can make Pranahita where Bhupalpalli they can flow, and Manchiral and Tammidihatti is the project which is religious important, Kaleshwaram temple, Triveni Sangam, interstate Maharashtra and Telangana. Okay, there is a sharing of water and tributaries Venganga, Vardha and Penganga. Okay, I hope you guys understand. Just look at here. Okay, just look at here. This is the most important river. Okay, yes. Next, one line pointers about need points. It is revision for the TSPSC points. Yeah, Pranahita is the largest tributary of Godavari. Pranahita is the largest tributary of Godavari. They can give the highest amount of water, high amount of water share, okay, that is 34.8% of water they can give into the Godavari. Okay, yes, and it is formed between two rivers, Wardha and Venganga. Wardha is Maharashtra, Venganga is Madhya Pradesh, and it is the district Kumrambhim, Manchiryal and Bhupalpalli. They can flow 3 districts. And major project Pranahita Chevella, Kaleshwaram and Tamidihatti. Tamidihatti is the project, the sharing of water between the Maharashtra and Telangana. Okay, it is Kaleshwaram Shiva temple is the key temple in the Pranahita river. This is the keywords most important coming, okay, exam. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. Okay, Indravati. Next name is Indravati. Pranahita, Indravati, Manjira. These like names are women names, right? Okay, this is the historical names, or we can respect the women as like river. Okay, river can give the most life for the most species like women also. Okay, guys. Okay, yes, and Indravati. Indravati is the name which is major tributary of the Godavari. Indravati also major tributary of Godavari. Okay, yeah, it is the largest tributary of Godavari. Okay, of the left bank, okay, yes, and it is known for the scenic waterfalls and dense forest. Okay, there is the waterfalls are there at Indravati. Okay, guys, you have to look into the map where it is located, Indravati river. Okay, yeah, before reading just look into the locations of the these rivers. Okay, yes, and it is origin, where it is origin. Okay, Drongi Chowki Hills, Kahladi district, Odisha. Indravati is not Telugu girl, it is the Odisha girl. Okay, Indravati. Okay, it is located at Eastern Ghats. Of course, Odisha is Eastern Ghats, where is high altitude 915 meters. Okay, yes, it is course of river. It is length 535 kilometers, and it is go through the Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Telangana. 4 states it can be flow. 4 states: Odisha, Maharashtra, and Chhattisgarh and Telangana. Pura north states. Okay, north towards the Telangana. Okay, Godavari river near Burgam Pahad of Bhadradri, Kottagudem district, Telangana. Okay, where it joins. Bhadradri Kottagudem is the northeast side, east part of the Telangana. It is the high dense forest area where high amount of water rainfall is going to take place this place, and there is a high dense forest, high rainfall is going to take place here in the Bhadradri Kottagudem Burgam Pahad. Okay, Bhadradri Kottagudem district. Indravati is the Odisha girl that can be enter into the Telangana Bhadradri district. Okay, yes, and this is about Indravati. Okay, Indravati is high altitude, okay, about sea levels, originate at like Odisha. Okay, this Dongri Chowki Hills. Okay, yes, and it is states covered, 4 states. Okay, Chhattisgarh, obviously Maharashtra, Odisha, and Telangana. Okay, yes, yeah. Key regions of the Telangana is Bhadradri Kottagudem, Maharashtra Gadchiroli. Okay, yeah, Bastar region at Chhattisgarh, Kalahadi at Odisha. This is also such a rivers. Okay, left bank rivers and right bank rivers tributaries. Okay, Nanraj and Kotri river. Okay, Pamet river and Bandiar. Just look at here. This is the tributaries of the like this river. Okay, yeah, sorry, Indravati river. Indravati river, these tributaries not located in the Telangana, that's why they might not important, but they can give you, just look into here, okay? Yes. Yeah. Major waterfalls, because of it is originate high altitude 915 kilometers, right? Sorry, meters, 915 meters, right? So it is high altitude, that's why waterfalls are located here. That is Chitrakoot waterfalls, most important waterfalls, okay? They can ask you Chitrakoot waterfalls are relevant to the Indravati, okay? Indravati in Chhattisgarh, okay? In Chhattisgarh, most important. It is also Niagara waterfalls of India. This is important for TSPSC. Niagara waterfalls in America, but in India, Indravati also in like Niagara waterfalls, that is Chitrakoti waterfalls. If you have holiday spot, you can go through that, okay? Yes, in the during winter, not rainy season, okay? Yeah, Chitrakot waterfalls at Chhattisgarh is Niagara Falls of India, okay? It is the tourist attraction place, hydro potential is there, okay? Yeah, Indravati, there is a water project which is like waterfalls, Chitrakot, okay, Indravati. Yeah, irrigation power projects. Yeah, it is about Telangana. Polavaram backward water receive water from confluence, okay. Polavaram project is relevant to the Indravati river. This is the keyword for TSPSC. Keyword for TSPSC, most important, Indravati, okay. Indravati, there is Polavaram backwater projects in the Telangana is relevant to the Indravati. Indravati hydro project is there, but it is Chhattisgarh, Odisha, hydroelectric power is generated, okay. Yeah, there is many rivers as generate hydroelectrical power, right? Hydroelectrical is produced by water, which is, it is high altitude, that's why very easy to make hydroelectrical power, okay. Yes, I hope you guys understand this. Yeah, importance of Indravati, okay. Indravati is vital for irrigation, hydroelectricity and ecology, eastern India, okay. Yeah, it is supports to the tribal areas, Odisha and Chhattisgarh, flows through the dense forest, okay, of Dandakaranya region mean very dense forest, okay. Kangar Valley National Park is there. This is also keyword relevant to the Indravati, okay. Indravati is the, there is a national park, okay, Kangar Valley, okay. Yeah, it is also make Sangam with Godavari river at Bhadradri, Kottagudem, it can be meet Godavari where? Bhadradri, Kottagudem, most important guys, okay. For the TSPSC, this word, okay. Indravati meet Godavari where the district is Bhadradri, Kottagudem, okay. Yeah, it is important for the water availability for the South Telangana, okay. This is the keyword for exam, guys. Okay, yes. Next, exam point of view, very quick points. Indravati is the largest left bank tributary. It is originate at Odisha and through the Chhattisgarh enter into the Telangana. Okay, Chitrakoti waterfalls also important. Godavari river at Bhadradri, Kottagudem, it can be meet. Okay, hydroelectrical power is there for importance. These are the keyword for the exam. Okay, TSPSC. Okay, yes, I hope you guys understand about Indravati, right? Yes. Next, Varda, okay. Varda also river, okay. It is a major tributary of Pranahita, okay. Of course, Varda and Venganga to make Pranahita, right? Varda and Venganga to make Pranahita. So, Varda also major tributary of the Pranahita, okay, which is left significant tributary of the Godavari. It is also left bank tributary of the Godavari. Okay. Right bank tributary of the Pranahita. Okay. Yeah, it is originate Satpura range, okay, Multai, Satpura range, Multai in the Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh. It is originated Madhya Pradesh. Wardha originate at Madhya Pradesh, okay, where Satpura ranges, Vindhya Satpura ranges are there in the Madhya Pradesh, right? Vindhya is most upper part, okay, the range, they can divide Vindhya Satpura. Satpura is south side and Vindhya is north side in that range, okay, Vindhya Satpura, okay. Madhya Pradesh, there is a series of range in the Madhya Pradesh, okay. Vindhya is Vindhya Satpura. This range is from the east Mahadev Hills to west side Gujarat up to the they can meet Rajasthan. This is the ranges, Vindhya Satpura ranges. Vindhya is north side, Satpura is down side. Vindhya is upper, Satpura is down. Okay. So Satpura range, there is a Wardha which is originate. Okay. Yeah, you have to come across Indian geography also for the exam point of view. I am gonna deal Indian geography also. Okay. Yes. And yeah, where it can be part of Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh, the length which is 528 kilometers, length they don't ask you, but it is an idea, okay, ideally, okay. It is the boundary of the Telangana border, okay. Yeah, of course, the river Venganga and Wardha together to form as Pranahita, which is meet Godavari, at Kaleshwaram. Okay, Wardha Venganga to form Pranahita to meet Godavari at Kaleshwaram. Okay, yeah, I hope you guys understand this. Okay, yes. And states covered: Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Telangana. Telangana, Kumram Bhim, Ashwabad in the Pranahita region. Okay, this is important for exam point of view. Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Telangana. Wardha, they can covered Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Telangana. In the Telangana, Komuram Bhim, Ashwabad, mostly North Telangana. North, it is point of North Telangana. Complete North Telangana. Complete, it is the forest area. Okay, Wardha is forest area. They can reach Maharashtra. From the Maharashtra, they can reach Telangana. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. Okay, yes. Yeah, major dams on the Wardha River. Wardha River, what are the major dams? Okay, yeah, Upper Wardha, Lower Wardha and Arunavati project. It is not about Telangana, Maharashtra and Nagpur, Maharashtra. They might not ask you the projects which is under Wardha. They might ask you the Indian geography, these rivers. Okay, if come to the Telangana geography, these dams are located in other states. They don't focus on, might be. Okay, yeah, just look into here. Okay, you have an idea. Of course, Wardha name is there, no need to worry. It is Maharashtra itself, and Arunavati name, you have to mind it, Maharashtra, it is minor irrigation project. They might not ask you. The importance of Wardha relevant to the Telangana. As Pranahita, they went, and Pranahita, they went Godavari system. Okay, Wardha, they went as Pranahita into the Godavari. Environmental significance. Tadoba National Park is there. Tadoba National Park is there in the Wardha River. Wardha River flow as the national park, which is Tadoba National Park. They can ask you, UPSC like exams, they can ask you the waterfalls, waterfalls are river, which is located in the biodiversity hotspots, national parks or wildlife sanctuaries. Okay, what are the rivers they can flow? It is the UPSC stand. But they might ask you in the TSPSC in the coming exams. Okay, yeah. Waterfalls, which is Wardha River, which is enter into the Tadoba National Park. This is the most important. Of course, they might focus. Okay, yes, Tadoba National Park. Yeah, the points about TSPSC. Varda is the right bank tributary of the Pranahita, not a Godavari. Okay, it is of course Godavari also, but mainly it is to make Pranahita. Okay, yeah, it is origin at Multai, Madhya Pradesh. Multai, Madhya Pradesh. MM. Okay, MMW. Okay, yes, Multai, Madhya Pradesh, Varda. Okay, it flows as Maharashtra, and this is Telangana state and Maharashtra border. Venganga and Pranahita, they make like Venganga and Varda, they can make Pranahita joints in the Godavari at Kaleshwaram. Okay, irrigation, hydrology, they never meet. Okay, yeah, just look into here. Yeah, next river is Vinganga. Vinganga is the also most important river, guys. Okay, Vinganga also most important river. Okay, yeah, Vinganga is a majority tributary of the Pranahita river. Varda and Vinganga to make Pranahita, right? Yeah, where they can meet Godavari. It is the right bank tributary of the Godavari. It is also right bank tributary. Okay, it originates at Mahadev Hills. Okay, where Satpura range. Okay, in the Madhya Pradesh. Vinganga. Okay, yeah, and 610 meters above sea levels elevation. Okay, yes, and there is a Varda and Venganga to make Pranahita river, right? Yes, and where they can Kautala district in Komarabim, Ashabad, Kautala place, Mandal, Komarabim, Ashabad district, they can make Pranahita, Varda and Vinganga. Okay, yes, Vinganga which is flowed in the Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Telangana through Pranahita. Telangana, Vinganga flow as Pranahita. Okay, yes, this air Komarabim and Bhupalpalli districts, they can flow. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. Okay, yes, and importance of Vinganga. Importance, they, yeah, even though it does not flow directly into the Telangana, but it can be joined and form as Pranahita for the crucial inflow. Of course, Vinganga, Varda place Vinganga, they flow as Pranahita in the Telangana. Pranahita in the Telangana. Okay, they don't flow as directly, but they can modify it. They can form Pranahita as Telangana. They can flow. Okay, yeah, it can be originate at Mahadev Hills. Okay, in the Madhya Pradesh. Okay, they don't ask you such. Kurd dam is there. Okay, yeah, Kaleshwaram lift irrigation, it is main important as Pranahita. That's why Pranahita flow as large amount of water in the Godavari, because of there is a Varda and Vinganga or tributaries, or they can make Pranahita, right? They are high amount of flow. Okay, to make Pranahita. Pranahita is the largest amount of water share in the Godavari tributary range. Yeah, Shebari. Next river is the Shebari. Okay, this is also another woman name. Shebari is an important left bank tributary of Godavari, directly left bank tributary of the Godavari. Okay, eastern drainage system of the Godavari basin. Okay, from the west to east. It is the strategic significant in Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and Chhattisgarh. Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and Chhattisgarh. Okay, it is originate Eastern Ghats. Shebari originate Eastern Ghats. Okay, most important, guys. Okay, Kalahandi district of Odisha. Shebari also Odisha girl. Okay, yes, Odisha woman. Okay, it is Dandakaranya river. Eastern Ghats, it is originate Dandakaranya river. Place. Yeah, Shebari, it is to meet Godavari, where in the Kunavaram Kunavaram lies on the bank of the Godavari at Andhra Pradesh, close to the Telangana border. Close to the Telangana border. Kunavaram is the place where it can be meet Godavari. It is close to the Telangana border. Okay, near Bhadrachalam of the Telangana. Near Bhadrachalam of the Telangana. That's why Shabari also important river. Shabari also important river. It is the religious. Okay, it is woman devotee Lord Rama in the Ramayana. Okay, it is relevant to the Ramayana, the woman devotee at Lord Rama in the Ramayana. Ramayana. Okay, Ramayanam, Mahabharatam is there, right? So Puranas. Okay, Ramayanam, there is a history is there in the Shabari river. Okay, yeah, most important, guys. Okay, yeah. About Shabari river, which is left bank tributary of the Godavari. It is origin Kalahandi river, Kalahandi place, Odisha. It can be flow Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh. Okay, it is joins at Kunavaram near Bhadrachalam. Okay, yeah, it is major tributary of Seeleru river. It is strategically important in Telangana Godavari flood management. Okay, Seeleru also prominent river for the flood management. I hope you guys understand this. Yeah, next Godavari river MCQs, we are going to discuss MCQs relevant this. Okay, yeah, the longest tributary of the Godavari river. Who? Pranahita. Pranahita is the longest tributary. Pranahita is the longest tributary. It is through the Indravati. Left bank tributary. Pranahita has the largest flow and formed by the confluence of Venganga and Vardha. 34% share of the water. Okay, it is flow through the Indravati. Left bank tributary. Pranahita has the largest. Yeah, we will look into that later. Which of the following is left bank tributary of the Godavari river? Okay, Indravati is the left bank tributary. Okay, Manjira, Pranahita and Vardha are the right bank. Flowing is a left bank tributary of the Godavari, Indravati. Indravati joins Godavari from the left bank of the Telangana, Bhadradri, Kottagudem. Okay, it is origin from the Odisha. Okay, Indravati from the Odisha. Yeah, Manjira river originate in which state? Okay, Manjira river originate Maharashtra at Maharashtra. Where? The range, Balaghat range. Balaghat range. Maharashtra Balaghat range. Okay, Manjira, they can flow. Manjira originate, Balaghat range, Maharashtra, Ahmednagar district, Maharashtra. Okay, yes. Next, Pranahita river formed by confluence of two rivers. Vardha and Venganga, right? Vardha and Venganga. Okay, these two rivers are, they can meet at Kautala in the Komarambim Ashwabat. Kautala, Komarambim Ashwabat. Vardha and Venganga. Okay, yes. And next, which of the following river does not join Godavari? Seeleru, Venganga, Krishna. Yeah, of course, Krishna is the another big river. This is not a tributary of the Godavari. Krishna is the south of the Telangana. Godavari is the north of the Telangana. Okay, I hope you guys clear. And confluence of Pranahita Godavari occurs at where? Kaleshwaram. Of course, Pranahita, they can meet Godavari. The place is Kaleshwaram. Okay, yes. Where? Jayashankar, Bhupalpalli district. Yes. Which river is also known as Niagara of India? What? Indravati? Niagara of India? Indravati. The Chitrakot waterfalls on Indravati, Chhattisgarh, also known as Niagara waterfalls. Chitrakot waterfalls. This is important for exam point of view. Yeah, next. Which project is located on the Manjira river? Okay, Nizam Sagar project. Okay, which is very like history project, Nizam Sagar project, one of the oldest dam. Okay, one of the oldest dam. This is also important. Shabari river joins Godavari and which state? Andhra Pradesh. Okay, Shabari river, they can meet Godavari, Andhra Pradesh, near Bhadrachalam. Okay, yes. Yeah, Venganga originate from which district? Okay, yeah, Sioni district of Madhya Pradesh. Sioni district of Madhya Pradesh, Venganga, which is originate. Okay, yeah, Wardha, Maharashtra. Yeah. Which river system is indirectly connected to the Telangana via Pranahita? Venganga, of course, Venganga, Wardha to make Pranahita. Okay, yeah, Venganga and Wardha to make Pranahita. Guys, today all over these rivers are completed. We are remaining tributary of Godavari and Krishna district. We are going to discuss in the coming class. Okay, stay classes geography. I am going to give you 100% strategic plan for TSPSC exams. You can follow the Chendu biology. If you like the video, like it and share it. Okay, thank you.